Some people have asked me, or brought up the point, John Deere made chainsaws. The short answer is, yes they did. This is a video about the John Deere chainsaws I have. Well, I got one more, but it's being rebuilt. This little guy is the number 8. I have a video that's older than hell. Old dinosaur age video that shows me starting this up. So, this little guy does run. It is a John Deere number 8 chainsaw. Was green and yellow. And the things wrong with this is I need to find some caps or remake the top. I also need to find a new air filter cover. I don't know if I can get that chain again or not. It's a little 12-inch chain, and I don't know. I just plain don't know if I can get John Deere number 8. I don't really know the specifications on how much can't think what you call it. CC it has, but I'll try to find out. Alright, up next, we've got a John Deere Model 30 chainsaw. This one is about in perfect condition, although I put gas into it. It'll pop and it'll show a little bit of life. It revs up, then it shuts off. So basically this one needs carburetor issues. It does have a blade. It's up there on the pull right now. Once again, this is a John Deere 30 saw. I acquired this last spring. Nice chrome looking deer there. And last but not least is a John Deere 50V chainsaw. I have a 450V, but I'm in the process of rebuilding that thing. That thing's all torn apart. Someday she'll be out here again though. This chainsaw I can't get any life out of, so I don't know if it's the spark or carburetor issues or what. I'll eventually get around to it, but I've got too many other projects right now. As you can see, the cultivator, some plow parts. My 4210 needs work. A lot of shit going on. Alright. Once again, this is a John Deere 50V. I got that one, the 50V, the same time I got the 30. I've had this one for about 3-4 years, if not longer. I don't know when I got this one, honestly. But these yellow ones, I'll look real quick, so I can't honestly remember. Uh-oh, that's not good. These yellow ones were made by Coriz. I don't know how to pronounce that word. It's K-I-O-R-I-T-Z Corp, and they were made in Japan. They were put out by John Deere, and you would go to John Deere to get support and everything for them, but they weren't actually made by John Deere. But they were basically John Deere. So this one was made by Homelight. Okay. So in the future, I plan to get a couple more, maybe 3-4 more chainsaws, because there's like 60s and 40s, I think, and there's a whole slew of these yellow ones. There's a whole slew of the green ones too. So I could collect chainsaws on top of all this other stuff. Mowers and power units, and you gotta love it. You really do. But anyway, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. And this is the last video for today. It's the 10th. So I'll be making more videos tomorrow showing you a little bit more of what I've got. So I hope you've enjoyed, and peace for now, and have a good day or night wherever you are. Bye bye.